So you got a warrant out of Gentry you're going to be going to jail on, okay?
2 county?
So, you say you're trying to get everything taken care of. You don't need to be stealing from the dollars.
Date, the 10th of August, 2024. Location, Benton County, Arkansas. Event, investigatory detention and warrant execution.
Hi.
Hey.
This isn't the first time she's come in here and done this.
I got you. So, our officer's out with her over at Casey's.
Her name's Ashley or whatever.
I guess she's willing to come back and pay. Is that the route you always want to go, or do you want to go charges?
This is every time she comes in here.
Okay.
Yeah, we've been watching her for a while, and
Yes, ma'am. Okay, yeah, can you send a picture to me and we'll deal with it here in a second? Awesome, thank you. Okay, so you guys are wanting to pursue charges?
we just want her no trespass. Let me call Krista and see what for sure what she wants to do. 'Cause this is every time she comes in here.
Sorry, can you repeat?
What do you want to do with her? She wants to come in here and pay for what she took,
805,
but prosecute.
Go ahead.
Okay.
She does have a confirmed 29 out of Gentry. It's
All
not
right.
introduced yet.
And no trespass. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah.
I'll grab a statement for you and I'll let him know and we'll go from there.
Okay. Usually it's Red Bull.
I think he said it was a Monster that she had already opened, so.
Of course. Yeah, she paid for a Sprite. Mandy? Yeah. Usually she takes the Red Bulls.
I got you.
We've been trying to get her for a while.
And then, do you guys have her on camera?
Yes, we do.
If you don't mind me getting a recording of that?
I think you'll have to
get
get through LP on that, or let me see. Let me call Krista.
Well, can you pull it up? I can just record it on my phone real quick.
Okay. You can see where she puts it in her purse, right in here. She's very sneaky about it. Let me find it.
You know how to take the trip? No.
And then can I get like a canceled receipt for
Those things?
yeah, at least those two things. I'm assuming you guys have different sized monsters, so we can't really say which one she probably took on that, but
Good luck. you want your receipt?
You too. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Just any monster?
Is that the smallest size you guys have?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that one then.
No, you're good. You need a receipt? Have a good day.
Thank you. And he is going to trespass her. So you guys see her again, you give us a call.
Okay.
That should take care of everything. So,
Alright, thank you.
yeah, you guys have a good day. I'm okay. You can show me 10-8.
The physical act of concealment establishes prima facie evidence of intent to deprive, satisfying the elements of theft. A suspect's subsequent offer to tender payment does not legally negate the completed actus reus and mens rea of the offense. Legal analysis: theft and intent under Arkansas Code Section 536103. Legal analysis: investigatory detentions and warrants under Terry v. Ohio 1968. During a lawful Terry stop, law enforcement maintains the authority to demand identification and conduct warrant checks. Upon confirmation of an active failure to appear warrant, officer discretion is superseded by a mandatory judicial mandate to arrest.
Hi. Hey.
Hey.
I'm Officer Arnold, Denton Police Department. I got a report that you guys left the dollar store without paying for some items. Did you pay for that?
Yeah,
Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hang out here, and my partner's going to the dollar store to check. Okay.
I didn't pay for an energy drink.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you. It's
Okay.
right here, and not even drink out of it yet.
Okay. Now here's the deal. Do you want to go back and pay for it?
Yeah, I can.
And we'll see if that's what they want to do. If they want to press charges, they want to press charges. You know. So.
And then I'm going to jail.
Yep. So it's up to the dollar store at this point.
You can have this.
I don't want it. Do you have money to pay for it?
I can get money to pay for it.
Okay. Ma'am, are you okay?
Yeah,
Why are you slumped over? What's going on?
I'm just tired.
You need EMS? You know? You okay?
Yeah. I didn't know, but I couldn't get no sleep last night.
Can you tell them that I'll
Three
come pay
cats
for the
and
2 drinks?
3 cats and stuff like that.
Can I call somebody so she can cash out me?
Yeah, get some. Why'd you guys come over here?
Because she
I
had
had
to
to go
pee.
pee.
We were going to the food bank, honestly.
Hey, she's willing to go back and pay for it if you would see if they want to press charges or have her come back and pay for it and trespass it. It's going to be the Ashley Tillman. Yeah, yeah. Alright, sounds good. I have her here at the Casey's if you just want to let me know what the dollar store wants to do. Alright, bye. There it is, son. Could you go ahead and log that 28 for me, please?
Well, I'm glad I went to court today.
What'd you go to court for?
I got cited out last week, and they
Where at?
at the jail.
Oh, they cited you out? Okay.
Yeah. And they had my court dates, told me not to come today and go the 18th of August, and I said, nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go to court.
Ashley, got your ID on you?
Yeah. Oh, God, not really. Again.
Well, just hope that the dollar store is willing to work that out for you. There it is, 7 switching B.
I better not have a damn warrant again. 'Cause I just got out of county.
There it is, 7. I got one room by number. 911-704-972. Go ahead.
You have a good day. Okay.
Therefore, did you confirm Tony Towns and let them know I can e-cite?
You can e-cite that? E-cite. It's the one that they told me about at the jail that I needed to go to Tawny Town.
Sorry, can you repeat? Therefore, thank you.
But you can't cite that?
Go ahead. Therefore. Hey. She can? If it's FTA, she can? Is that what you said? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Are you going back to the PD? Alright, bye. Alright, Ashley, step out for me. You can get on the front of my car.
So you're not gonna let me pay for it?
Nope. We're pressing charges on you.
What's this entail?
We're gonna see. So you have a warrant out of our department.
How? I just got out of jail.
It hasn't been entered yet.
From when?
I don't know. That's what he's going to find out right now.
I'd appreciate it, because I honestly would like to know.
Yeah, he's gonna go figure it out.
Because I'm trying to get it all taken care of. I went to jail, they told me everything was taken care of but Tawny Town.
Well, you try to go get it taken care of, and then you steal from the dollar store.
It's stupid. So is it the thing from the dollar store jail? Or a ticket?
You're gonna get booked today. I don't know if I'm taking you to jail or taking you to the PD to fingerprint you and book you and release you.
And I specifically asked them to please call Gentry because I couldn't remember.
Yeah, so the warrant hasn't been entered yet. So that's why he's going to go see.
I mean, they're not going to do nothing. Probably. I'll probably end up going to Benton County. At least I wasn't driving this time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it all taken care of. The judge and Gentry or the asylum's trying. So this time, I hope it just can fingerprint me so I can get it all on the same day. I literally have my booking papers and everything in the car. Sorry, your car's hot right there. Can I talk to him?
All right, Ashley. So you got a warrant out of Gentry. You're going to be going to jail on, okay?
2 County?
So, yes, ma'am. Go ahead and turn around for me. This officer's going to put you in handcuffs. Just go for my car.
And see, I literally told them to call you guys when I was in jail last week. And they said nothing was confirmed.
Okay.
Can you get my phone from her?
Yeah, we'll get it here in a second.
You're only going.
Nope. Because I just got out of Benton County. And they said they called and nothing was even on the record. I literally just left work.
I know, so I'll make this leave whenever you're here. All right, Ashley, scoot over here. Let me turn my camera on.
Please do. Is there going to be a hold and a bond?
There's a bond, yeah. It is. Just
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back to here.
You're fine.
No.
I don't even have socks on.
So the total bond's $6,510. So it looks like it was an FTA out of Decatur and then an FTA out of
So
Century
does
as well,
that mean
so
I'm staying or being held?
that's up to the jail. I can't tell you on that.
Because they said last time that if there was a hold, that was what would stop it. Do I have to see a bond here? And that's what I'm asking.
No. There's already a bond on the warrant. So you want on the passenger side or?
Can you get my phone and tell her to come to the jail? See, I knew they should have told you guys. Is there any way he can double cuff me? I've had a stroke and this arm just does not work.
It's up to you. If you want to be double cuffed.
I'm not gonna do anything. It's just this arm will turn purple and go numb.
You say you're trying to get everything taken care of. You don't need to be stealing $1.
I understand.
You got to get it together.
I will.
So it's telling her to come pick you up from jail. You cool with her taking your car?
That's
Or
hers.
that's her car? Okay.
I wasn't driving.
I got you. Dollar General is also wanting to press charges and have you trespass as well.
What is it?
So-
A ticket or?
Probably, yeah, it'll probably be a ticket, and then you'll probably have to get booked in at the jail on it though.
Okay.
But your court date on that and your court date on the warrant will be the same day. So,
And tell her, do not call my husband.
All right. Time to see them. Watch your elbow, Ashley.
Legal analysis. Use of force constraints under Guite v. Wright. 1998. The Eighth Circuit established that ignoring a suspect's known medical condition during handcuffing constitutes a Fourth Amendment violation via excessive force. Tactical lesson. Employing alternative restraints, such as double cuffing, satisfies the constitutional standard of objective reasonableness. Key takeaway. Balancing the strict execution of warrants with the constitutional duty of care effectively mitigates civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983.